You know, there's a special feeling you get when you're in a place of your childhood. The food tastes better, the air smells sweeter, the faces are friendlier, and your troubles just seem to disappear. When I think about my little hometown of Bridgeport, Texas, this is a feeling I get, and it just can't be matched. There's truly no place like home, and that's coming from a Texan.
Drive across Texas.
Hey folks, welcome back to my hometown edition of Drive Across Texas. I'm Pat Waters. We're at Bridgeport Guns and Ammo with Brian and Anita Bernardo. Brian, how you doing, bud?
I'm doing good.
Good.
Talk to you, Pat.
Yeah, my pleasure, man. Thank you for opening the doors to your fabulous business here. So, Bridgeport Guns and Ammo, man, how long y'all been in business and what made you get in this business?
Been here since 2001. Always been kind of a gun nut. Heavy on the nut part. I just like hunting. Mostly, it's about hunting.
Yeah.
I like hunting. Like the outdoors.
Good.
That's all cool.
Yeah, that is cool. So, how long you been in Bridgeport?
About 20 years.
Years. Now, you come from the Metroplex, and you said you used to come out here as a kid in Wise County, and tell the viewers about that.
Yeah, the metro mess,
Yeah,
as it is
exactly.
now. But grew up in Irving, and we moved out here about 20 years ago just to get away from that down there. But what brought me here was I had a relative relatives up outside of Alvord, and we used to go visit them when I was a kid, and I just loved it out here. What's not to love about Wise County?
That's awesome.
So it's cool up here.
You sound
the
like
people
me.
are cool. Yeah, the people are cool. I mean, it's especially much when you're coming from someplace else to this. You really see the stark difference between the type of people in the big city versus the type of people out here.
And you'll notice you're an avid John Wayne fan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. John Wayne, westerns, all the good old movies. There's not really that many good new movies. The few newer ones, okay, but for the most part, the older movies are better.
You sit around on the weekends when you get a chance watching old westerns.
If there's a John Wayne marathon,
You're there.
Yeah.
Parked in there for the duration.
And you know what's funny is I still hadn't seen them all.
Yeah.
Every once in a while, I find something comes up on Netflix or one of these other type programs like that of a John Wayne movie I never heard of,
That's crazy.
and it's a good one.
Yeah.
You watch it and it's actually a good one. Wow, man, I'm 51 years old and I'm just now seeing this movie that came out like 75 years ago or something.
Isn't that crazy?
So, yeah, it's awesome.
Crazy. It's just, you know,
He is still given to us.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely he is. He's a legend, and I guess the difference between a lot of people and that is John Wayne left a legacy.
Yeah, he's been gone 40 years and he's still new.
Yeah, that's great.
That's awesome. That
Great.
is.
I knew we'd get along.
Yes, sir.
I guarantee it. Folks, we're at Bridgeport Guns and Ammo. Next time you're coming out to Bridgeport, be sure to stop in and visit Brian and Anita Bernardo. Great folks here. And man, I appreciate the opportunity to come talk to you.
Thank you for coming by.
You
I
bet,
appreciate
man.
it.
You bet, not a problem. Y'all remember now, that baby's coming from a couple Texas.
Absolutely.
Adios.
Drive across Texas.